In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp tasks to CSV. If you need a clean snapshot of your tasks for reporting, sharing with stakeholders, or analyzing in a spreadsheet, exporting to CSV is the quickest way to get there. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a simple, widely compatible format that works seamlessly in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and most data platforms. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open ClickUp in your browser and sign into the workspace that contains the tasks you want to export. It's important to make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple ones, because exports are directly tied to the space, folder, or list you select. Keep in mind that some organizations may have restrictions on who can export data, so if you don't see the option later, you might need to seek permission from an admin. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find this icon in the bottom left corner of the interface. Go ahead and click it to open the account menu. This menu is your gateway to various workspace-level actions, and it's the quickest way to access the export controls you need. From the account menu, navigate to Settings. This action will take you to a central hub where you can manage both personal and workspace settings. Don't be alarmed if the page appears a bit busy. We're heading to a specific area designed for moving data in and out of ClickUp. In the Settings sidebar, locate and click on the option labeled Imports and Exports. This section is dedicated to everything related to bringing data into ClickUp and also sending it out. If you're accessing this for the first time, it's quite normal to land on the Import view by default, so we need to switch over to the Export view. Look for a tab, toggle, or link that says Export. Click on that to transition from importing to exporting. If it doesn't appear right away, just scroll a little bit. It's likely nestled within that section. Now that you're in the Export section, you're in the right place to prepare your CSV file. The next step is to choose the precise location from which you want to export. Select the specific space, folder, or list that contains the tasks you need. Being as specific as possible here is key to keeping your CSV file focused and manageable. Depending on how your ClickUp is set up, you might see additional options related to subtasks, archived items, or other fields. If these options are available to you, use them to fine-tune what goes into your exported file. You want to ensure you're capturing only the data that matters most to you. After you've made your selections and everything looks right, it's time to confirm and begin the export process. Larger exports can take a moment, so make sure to keep that browser tab open until you receive a notification that it's finished. Once the export is complete, your CSV file will automatically download to your device, and you'll have everything ready for analysis, backup, or sharing with your colleagues. And there you have it. That's all there is to exporting ClickUp tasks to a CSV file. Simple, accurate, and efficient. If you found this information useful, consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up to this video. Your support helps us create more content like this for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.